Is this meeting a meeting before the? No.
This is just like a caucus, but we are going for NEC now.
So the NEC is already.
The holding is on. At Wadata House, it is already open.
So what is your
We secured the place, huh?
What is your first reaction to the barricade by the police this morning?
It wasn't a barricade, it was a job of policing to make the place secure for accredited NEC members that are coming so that we don't get miscreants and charlatans to take over the place. Thank you.
Sorry. He said it wasn't a barricade. It was just